Webinar software now sits at the center of digital marketing, education, and corporate communication. It connects registration, live interaction, and post-event conversion into one flow. So the platform you choose shapes the entire experience. Today, we explore some platforms that serve these different use cases. Some emphasize customization and branding. Others focus on evergreen automation or enterprise security. Let's get started. Clunky webinar tools and technical roadblocks can ruin an online event before it even starts. Livestorm is designed to remove that friction by offering a fully browser-based, all-in-one webinar platform that simplifies how webinars and virtual events are created and managed. There are no downloads, plugins, or complicated setup steps for attendees, just a single link that works instantly. At its core, Livestorm centralizes the entire event workflow. Scheduling starts with a clear calendar view that helps avoid conflicts and reduces manual back and forth. Creating an event automatically generates a registration page, eliminating the need for separate landing page tools. Once the event is live, everything from sessions and attendees to email invitations is organized in one place, making preparation easier and more efficient. During live events, Livestorm focuses on engagement rather than passive viewing. Hosts can launch polls, manage Q&A sessions, share links, and enable interactive apps to keep participants involved in real time. One of Livestorm's standout features in 2026 is its AI capabilities. The platform offers live captions that automatically transcribe webinars in real time, making events more accessible. After each event, AI-powered transcripts can be generated, and the AI content repurposing tool extracts key content to create assets from multiple marketing channels. Noise cancellation ensures crystal clear audio, and replay captions are available in over 100 languages, extending the reach and impact of every webinar. Overall, Livestorm stands out as a streamlined, modern solution for teams that want to host professional, engaging virtual events without technical headaches. Moving on to BigMarker. With this, what you get is depth. This is built for full-scale online events, not just a single presentation. You can design fully branded registration pages, customize reminder emails, and even create virtual lobbies or sponsor booths if you host conferences. Everything lives inside one system, so you are not patching tools together. During a live session, attendees join in browser, no software download friction. You can control layouts, switch speakers, manage chat, run polls, and trigger offers. Then after the session, you get detailed analytics. You see attendance duration, engagement levels, and conversion behavior. If your goal is demand generation or large virtual summits, this level of data becomes useful. However, it does require setup time. The dashboard is feature-rich, so you will explore before you master it. If your events are simple, it may feel heavier than needed, but if branding and analytics matter to you, this platform gives that control. Now, if your focus is teaching or coaching, then WebinarNinja feels more streamlined. Here, you get a system that moves you from registration to replay without external tools. You build a landing page with templates, connect automated reminders, and include an add to calendar option, which increases attendance consistency. It keeps everything connected. Inside the webinar room, you can shift between chat, Q&A, polls, and offers while you present. Screen share works reliably, and you can upload slides or insert pre-recorded video mid-session. For you, that means fewer distractions during delivery. It supports live, automated, series, and hybrid formats. Also, you can collect payments for paid webinars directly. Analytics are clear and focused on registrations, attendance, and sales performance. It may not go as deep as enterprise tools, but for creators and educators, it feels balanced and manageable. And if your goal is automation and evergreen funnels, then EverWebinar plays a different role. This platform runs pre-recorded webinars that simulate live sessions. You upload your video, define scheduling rules, and the system handles the rest. You can use fixed times or just-in-time scheduling, which shows visitors that the webinar starts shortly after registration. That approach often increases attendance rates. Chat messages, polls, and offers can appear at predefined timestamps. It feels coordinated and intentional. You also get behavioral analytics. You see where attendees drop off and what they click. That helps refine your funnel. The limitation is clear. This is for automated sessions. If you want spontaneous live interaction, you'll need a separate live tool. But if your aim is consistent lead generation without manual hosting each week, it fits well. Finally, let us talk about Webex. With it, you get enterprise-level infrastructure, security layers, compliance readiness, and cross-platform support across Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android. If you operate in corporate or education environments, this matters. You can scale from small webinars to very large audiences. Speaker management tools allow you to control stage layouts. Shared video is optimized automatically, so attendees receive smooth playback regardless of device. There's also voice optimization that isolates your voice from background noise, which improves clarity. Breakout sessions, moderated Q&A, polling, and real-time translation into many languages expand accessibility. It integrates well into corporate IT ecosystems. It may not focus heavily on marketing automation, but for secure, large-scale communication, it delivers stability. So that was all. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more videos.